Hi guys, and welcome to today's unboxing video, which is going to be for this lovely Utebit camera holder or camera clip. And this is going to be a camera clip for my backpack. Now I've got the GoPro, which I'll be using most of the time, and that will go here, which it currently where it currently sits. But I'll also want to be able to carry my camera here on my left hand side. Now the reason is twofold. Firstly, because I take my camera everywhere, no matter what country I go to for work or wherever. But what tends to happen is that I end up leaving it in the bag because it's inside the bag. If I have it accessible, then I can do something with it. Now the GoPro, having it clipped there, I can just switch it on, or if I have it in my pocket, it's so easy to take out. I click the start button and I'm there, I'm shooting, and it's made it more accessible for me. So the second reason is because I think it would help me with my workflow, and I just want to capture the moment, and obviously it will allow me to do that. And it's pretty much the same as point one. But anyway, back to this. So I had a look at the Peak Design one, and that's like £70. Although the price is okay for what it does, it's like that small, and I'm not too sure if it's going to be any different from a cheap one. So I decided to buy a cheap one, and I can't get this bloody... Okay, so here we go. I've just broken it out. And I'm surprised that it's so small, to be honest with you. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so this is the unit, and it comes like this. And it's very, very straightforward. Okay, so you have a release mechanism there, and you have, I don't even know how to. So if I just push that in, I should be able to lift this off. No, I'm not. Okay, so it lifts in the opposite direction. So let's say if I push that in, it's not coming out. Why isn't it coming out? Oh, so there's a tension bar here. So that now makes it a bit loose. So push that, take that off. Wow, that's very, very strong. I'm really impressed by that just by itself. So what do we do? Let's just get a bag. Okay, so I've got my backpack. This isn't the one I normally use. This is the one I carry all my computer equipment in, and I look like a schoolboy, but we'll be using the OM10 to fix this onto. Let's see how this goes. Now the good thing about this is the little holder's got a ring on it, so you can actually you can attach it just like that. And this basically works like this. So you take this apart from here and keep taking it apart. So if you have a look at how it works, it's got this little hook element. So what we do, we take our strap, we feed it in through there, and hold on a minute, just loosen this up a bit more. Unfortunately, this has got really thick padding on it. It's probably not the best bag to use it on, but basically all you do, screw it down, tight as you can. Okay, so hold on. There we go. Take your camera, snap it into place, tighten this up so there's no play on the plate, and there you go. Now you could rip it off. If somebody wanted to mug me, they could try taking it off, but they're going to take me with them, so it's not going to be very good for them. So now if I want to release, I just push that in, lift it up. It's going to take a bit of getting used to, but you lift it up. Okay, I keep forgetting this tension bar. This tension bar is actually really good because it makes it a lot harder for somebody to try to take it off you. So there you go. And then you can start shooting. Clap, 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 clap. So there you have it. Probably not the best way to demonstrate it. This is actually really solid. So all I need to do, pop it back in, tighten this if I want. Actually, I don't really need to tighten it. It can still, if I jump about, don't really want to jump about too much, but there you go. Something fell down, but that's from my seat over there. Okay, and then push, release. There you go. See, that was a lot easier by just leaving the tension bar loose. So if you know you're going to film, it's a good thing to just keep it loose. But it's a good buy. How much was it? 20 quid. And my camera is going to be accessible to me. It will be safe. And yeah, really good. Really happy with that. And yeah, amazing. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.